If you're planning on putting your child in daycare at the same time as you are returning to work after a parental leave, you can probably expect to get a lot of calls from the daycare in the first few weeks or even months telling you to pick up your child because they've picked up another virus and have a fever. It's just a normal part of building their immune system. But you have to balance all of that with your boss's expectations at work, and this is where things can get tricky. Employers know that they are required by human rights law to accommodate you in these cases. It's called family status accommodation. But knowing the law and actually following through with it are two different things. And there are some managers who can be pretty difficult about this, and they'll accuse parents of trying to avoid their mandatory in-office days, for example. It's really difficult enforcing your rights and asking for accommodations when you're dealing with those kinds of people when you're in it. So a good idea is to have these conversations before you go off on leave. Ask them what their expectations are, what kind of flexibility they're going to give you, what the process is to ask for a family status accommodation, and specifically put to them that you are expecting to get these calls for immediate pickup from time to time in the first few weeks to the first few months of returning to work, and that you need flexibility.